for? Bismillah. Turkey. Goalkeeper. Who the fuck is man? Yeah. Who the fuck is get? Man, damn. It's my first back. Come on, FIFA. Come on, bruh. Pulling goddamn guilt knock. Come on, bruh. Turn me up. No. Turkey. What's up with Turkey, bruh? Yeah. Under. Are you serious? Hey, bro, like, I just pulled 2 Turkey people off back to back. The f***ing Undertaker. The hell? Netherlands! Striker! Oh my god. Everton? Dan Juma! Damn Juma! Damn Juma! Damn! Okay? Bro, if I pull Ronaldo on the first day, wallahi, bro, I promise you, I'm going nuts, bro. I promise you, if I pull Ronaldo on the first day, I'm going crazy. Croatia. Luka Doncic? Like, bro, who the fuck is you looking at? Why is he looking at me like that? Is there a problem? Like face ass, bro. What the fuck is wrong with him, bro? He keep looking at me crazy, bro. Fritz! Detroit. Ron. Bro, home. Bro. Come on, FIFA, bro. Come on, bro. Turn me up with this, bro. Turn me up, bro. England. Left back. Oh my god! Man United! What the fuck? Is that a girl? What the fuck? Is that Erickson? Who the fuck is this? Is that a fucking girl? Who the fuck is this? Bro, is that Erickson, bro? What the fuck? He must be new to the squad. My fault. Hey, maybe not. Hey, my fault. He must be new to the squad. Brazil! Oh my god! Oh my! Pepe! That ain't fucking Pepe. Who the fuck it? Bro, I swear to man, bro. I ain't no damn Pepe. Oh my goodness, bro. Come on, bro. FIFA, turn me up, bro. Please, bro. That's Pepe from Ohio, bro. What the hell? Spain. Kill. Atletico Madrid. Sand Kid. Okay, chat. Bro, I still haven't pulled the walkout yet. I still haven't pulled the walkout yet. We still haven't pulled the walkout. We need a walkout. Let's get a walkout. Ukraine, striker. Detroit. Boomerang! From Ukraine himself. Oh, Boomerang! Turn up! Turn up! Come on, bro. Let me get a walkout, though. Come on, bro. Turn me up. Nigeria. Right wing. Oh! Raphael! Chucky? Chihuahua? Chuckawau? Chihuahua? God damn, bro. What's up with this damn name? Chihuahua, come on, baby. Come on, bro. Yeah, chat. He's good, though. He's good, bro. But I need, like, chat, like, bro, like, I need, like, that one player that stands out, bro. Chat, I need that one player that stands out, bro. I need that one player that stands out. That one player. Like, I need, like, a Ronaldo, Mbappe. You feel what I mean? Left back. Juventus. Damn, Bowen. Who the fuck is this? Bowen. He from Italy. Bro, chat, is that a girl or a boy, bro? Chat, is it girls in FIFA? Am I tweaking, bro? Like, I don't know if, like, chat, is it one? Bro, I don't know if I'm tweaking or not, chat. Yo, bro, I don't know if I'm fucking tweaking or not. Mexico. Real Madrid! Oh my God! Real Madrid! Oh my God! Oh fuck yeah! Damn, baby, who the fuck is you? That's the girl! Oh my God, baby, damn! Fuck! Damn! Fuck! Damn! That can't be a boy, bro! That can't be a boy! Damn, baby! What the fuck? Mate Oreos! Oh, hell yeah, baby! Mate Oreos! Hell yeah, chat! Chat, this a girl, right? This a girl, right, or boy, bro? Let me know. That's a girl, right? That has to be a girl, bro. That has to be a girl. That has to be. It's a boy? Morocco. Hakimi. Marzarari. Damn, I thought I had Hakimi. I put Hakimi Anku, bruh. Damn, I thought I had... Oh, my God, I thought I had Hakimi, bro. Oh, my God, I would have went crazy, bro. Oh, my God, bro. Prayers for Morocco. I thought I... Poland, striker. Can I get a... Albania. Can I get a walkout? Bro, can I get a walkout, FIFA? Y'all still haven't gifted me a walkout, bro. Can I get a walkout? FIFA, can I get a walkout, please? One walkout, please. England, City Elm. Tottenham. Hamburger. Let's go! Yeah! Yes! Yes, a good midfielder. That's a good midfielder. We got a good midfield, bro. Okay, so I need a left wing, bro. I need a good left wing. I already got a good left back and right back. I just need a left wing, bro. Give me a good left wing. Let me get a good left wing, bro. Come on, turn me up. Mexico, CB. Real Madrid. Nacho. Cheese and Fernet. Fuck! Come on, bro. Wait, was that Mark Goldbridge or I'm tweaking? What the fuck? I just seen this dude like Mark Goldbridge. Am I fucking tweaking? Oh my god, bro. Let me get a walkout, bro. I'm over. Like, come on, bro. Give me a walkout, bro. Turn me up, bro. Let me get a walkout. Ukraine, CDM. Shahabi. Seller? Bro. I'm pulling fucking seller phones and shit, bro. Come on, bro. The hell is a seller, bro? Come, like, please, let me get a... Bro, to everybody in chat, spam walkout, bro. Let's get a walkout. Chat, spam walkout. Let's get a walkout. Come on, bro. England. Left back. Chelsea. LeBron James. Chilwell. Oh my goodness, bro. Spam walkout, bro. Everybody in the chat, spam walkout. Spam walkout. Spam walkout. Everybody spam walkout. Please, bro. Everybody in chat, spam walkout, bro. Please. Belgium. Club Burger. A midget? Man, fuck that. Oh, bro, let me get the... Bro, I'm not stopping till I get one walkout, bro. I'm not stopping till I get somebody where I'm satisfied. I'm not satisfied yet, bro. FIFA, please satisfy me, bro. I need to get somebody who's gonna satisfy me, bro. Give me a Vinny Jr., bro. Give me a... just give me somebody, bro. Give me a Bobby. Argentina. Cam. Oh, my God, I got some... Oh, I thought I pulled. Oh my God, damn it, Acosta. Oh my God, I thought I. Oh my God, I thought I pulled somebody, bro. Oh my God, I thought I just pulled somebody who I really is about to be mad, bro. I thought I really pulled somebody. I was genuinely about to be mad, bro. I was genuinely about to be mad, bro. Portugal. Polyena! Polyena! Come on, give me, bro. Give me get a walkout, bro. Can I get an 85 overall, bro? Like, why y'all treat me like this, FIFA? Come on, bro. I be doing anything in my part to make sure y'all right, bro. I make sure y'all eat y'all breakfast every morning, bro. I make sure y'all clothes okay. I make sure nobody bullying y'all, bro. Mexico. Gerald Marino. Gerald Marino. Gerald. What do you mean wrong pack, Chatty Dad? These are the only packs, bro. Stop spamming wrong pack, y'all. I'm looking for a walkout. This, bro, Chat, I got FIFA early, bro. These are the only packs. Yeah, bro, like Chat, these are the only packs, bro. He's not in no other pack. Stop saying wrong pack. Canada. Chelsea? Bro! Is this KSI's sister?
Anthony Davis said that's my girlfriend's speed.
Butcher man! Bro! 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 swear there's girls in this FIFA, bro. England. Left wing. Woo! Sterling. 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 Big booty. Big booty. Big booty Sterling. Big booty Sterling. Come on. Come on. Chat, what? Yo, chat, what overall? Chat, what overall is a walkout, bro? Chat, what overall is a walkout? Germany. CB. I pulled a fucking Kimmich, bro. Oh, 86. Oh, that's why. I still haven't put an 86 overall yet, bro. Like, give me one walkout, bro. One walkout. 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 Real Madrid. I already pulled him, bro. Oh my god, bro. Let me get a... Chat, do I put him on a transfer market? I wonder how much he's going for. Let me get one. Whoa, like, bro, I already pulled him, chat. I already pulled him, bro. Come on, bro. Let me get one walkout, bro. One walkout and I'm done, bro. FIFA, bro, just one walkout and I'm done, bro. I promise y'all, bro. Y'all won't ever see me again, bro. Walkout right here, bro. Bismarck, bro. Please, bro. Germany, Cam, Albania. Bro, like, why does he have an emoji in the middle of his name? Like, how do you pronounce that? Z? Like, he has an emoji in the middle of his name, bro. How do you, like, what do you want me to do, bro? You can't even, bro, you can't pronounce that, bro. Damn, bro. Like, bro, like, these are hard to pronounce, bro. Chat, these, what do you mean wrong packs, bro? These are the only packs in the game right now. The game just came out, bro. France. Black man Kante. Black boy. Ah! 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 Yes! 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 Nigga Kante! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Bro, why does he look so black in the picture, bro? Let's go! Yeah! W's in the chat! My first walkout is my boy Kanye West! Yeah, baby! W's in the damn chat. W's in the damn chat. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Turn up, bro. Turn up, bro. Bosnia striker. AK. Garcia. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Chat, if I can pull Conte, I can pull Ronaldo, bro. Wallahi, bro. Chat, if I can pull Conte, bro, I can seriously pull Ronaldo. I think Ronaldo's like a 90 what? A 90 what overall? England. Right back. Newcastle? Trippy Red! Trippy Red! Woo! Oh my god, chat, my team is so good already, bruh! I got a good team already! Chat, Ronaldo is not an 86, bro. It's no CR7. I mean CR7. What overall is CR7? Canada. Anthony. Johnson? Oh, he's at 93? 86. No, at EAF's 99. No way Ronaldo's a 99 overall, bro. He's not on 99. Choose the 4th pack, bro. That's the same pack. Is this the preview pack? It's the same pack, chat. These are the only packs that's in the game right now, bro. America. Yo, what's good? Nah, I'm 19. Yo, look. Can I get your number, though? Nah, chill, bro. Chill. Nah, I'm from... Nah. I'm from Ohio. What part of America you from? Really? You from what? Nah, that's crazy. Hey, look, though. If you want to go back to eat anytime, you know, we have it, all right? All right, bet. Just call me, all right? Chop. Like, bro, name somebody who can pull girls in FIFA, bro. I'm the only person who can pull girls in FIFA, bro. I pulled a girl named Long. Come on now, bro. I pulled a girl named Long. Name somebody who can pull a girl in FIFA, bro. Come on now, bro. Stop playing on me, bro. Like, yo, bro, just stop it, bro. Just stop it, bro. Just stop it, bro. Y'all can't do it. Czech Republic. Barack Obama! Come on, bro. Let me get another walkout, bro. Come on, bro. Like, chat, bro, where's the juicy packs, bro? I need something juicy as hell, bro. Like, when you bite it, like, bro, like, water comes out. Like, I need something that, like, oh my god, this is a great pack. Like, I need something crazy. England, left back. Real Madrid! Ooh, damn. Damn. Savaka, you fine as fuck. Damn. Damn, she's, oh my god. Bro, these packs about to make me catch boners, bro. Damn. They gotta chill on these packs, bro. Oh my god. She's 15. No, she's not. Chill. She's not 15. Yeah, she's not 15. She's right here. Yo, chat. Should I DM her? You'd be like, yo, I just pulled you. You fine as hell. Can I get your number? I want to do it. Yo, I just pulled you in FIFA. Yo, I just pulled you in FIFA. You're cute. Can I get your number? Yeah, baby! Yeah, baby! Hey, chat, stop playing on me, bro. Chat, stop playing on me, chat. Yo, chat, name somebody, name somebody who can pull girls in FIFA, bro. Like, bro, stop playing on me, bro. Stop. Just chill. Just chill. Just chill. Netherlands. Van Dijk. Van Dijk! Oh my god, Van Dijk! Oh my fucking god! Oh my 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 god! Van Dijk, bro! Oh my god, bro! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Van Dijk, bro! Oh my god! Van Dijk, bro! Wallahi, I just pulled Van Dijk! Oh my god! Oh my god! Bro, I just pulled Van Dijk on the first day of FIFA, bro! Oh my God! Van Dijk, bro! Oh my God! Chat, sell or keep! Sell or keep! Chat, oh my God! That's the best pack I pulled today. Sell or keep, sell or keep! Oh my God! Sell or keep! Oh my God, he's going for 1 million, bro. I might gotta sell him, bro. I might gotta sell him, Chat. He's going for 1 million, bro. He's almost going for 1 million. He's almost going for 1 million. Sell or keep, chat. He's almost going for 1 million. What? Keep. Keep. All right, I'm gonna keep. Oh my goodness, bro. This for Van Dijk, bro. Oh my God, bro. Chat, do y'all know how good that card is? Oh my God. Do y'all not know how good that card is, bro? Oh my God. Brazil. Oh my God. Oh, I just pulled the best center back in the game, bro. I literally pulled the best defender in the game, bro. The best, bro. I literally pulled the best defender in the game, bro. The best defender in the game, bro. Name one person that's better than Van Dijk at defending in the game. Matter of fact, IRL. Name one better defender than Van Dijk. One. Oh my God. Portugal. Name Sergio Ramos, bro. No, bro. No, dude. No, buddy. No. Bro, honestly,
Slip said Harry Maguire.
Yo, Slips, you about to get timed out. Again? See him. B. Who the fuck is Cooper Mainers? No, bro. Nobody. Chat, I have the best team out right now, bro. Nobody has a better team than me, bro. I just need one more good bro. I got Conte, Van Dijk. Chat, I got Conte, Van Dijk. I got Aubameyang. Brazil. Arsenal? Brazil? Arsenal? Gabriel! Vamos! My squad too good! My squad is too good! My squad is too good! Right wing. Bro, that's a girl, bro. You can't tell me that's not a girl, bro. Wait, Kobe? Kobe Bryant? Kobe? That fucking Kobe Bryant? What the hell? Bro, you can't tell me that's not a girl, bro. What is that, bro? Check. I think girls are in this game, bro. Like, I'm being dead ass, y'all. I think like girls are in this game. Like, I'm not even trolling. I seen like 3 or 4 girls already, bro. Like, I'm not even trolling. Ugh. Peru. Gorp. Ooh, a black. You got a premium pack? What happened? RP Kobe. Bro, play please. I'm trying to... Yo, chat, should I open up this pack or no? Fuck it. Let's open it. Morocco. Hakimi! Rahimi? Chad, is this Hakimi cousin? Rakimi and Hakimi. Prayers for Morocco. Prayers for Morocco, man. I just pulled Rakimi and Hakimi. Is that Hakimi cousin? I already have CR7 and Neymar. That's cap, bro. That is cap. Alright, chat. Is it time to play the game or no? Do I keep doing my good... He cute as hell. Andrea Pedroso. Chat, do I play the game? Or do I play the game? Or do I keep trying to get my squad better? Play the game or keep trying to get my squad better? Let me know. Play a game. Alright, bet. Alright, bet. I got you. Okay, play. Play the game. Play. Okay, I got you. KSI. Few more packs and play. Alright, bet. Hey, chat. Few more packs and I'm gonna play the game, okay? Few more packs and I'm gonna play the game. I think I have a decent squad right now. I think I have a somewhat decent squad to the point where I can play the game a bit. You feel what I'm saying? So, few more packs and I'm playing the game. Yo, chat. And I'm not gonna lie. Few more packs and I'm playing the game. Facts. Play a game? Okay, I will. Bro, again? Damn.